Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how we can make delicious red sauce pasta. We will begin by gathering all our essential ingredients. You will need about 2 pounds of ripe, juicy tomatoes, a few cloves of fresh garlic, and a handful of fragrant basil. Don't forget your favorite pasta, perhaps 1 pound of spaghetti or penne, along with some good olive oil, 1 medium onion, and your chosen seasonings. Next, let's craft our rich red sauce. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Sauté 1 finely chopped medium onion until translucent, then add 2 minced garlic cloves, cooking for about 1 minute until fragrant. Stir in approximately 2 pounds of crushed or diced tomatoes, along with a pinch of salt and pepper. Let this simmer gently for at least 30 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to deepen. Now for the pasta itself. Fill a large pot with 4 quarts of water and add a generous pinch of salt, bringing it to a vigorous rolling boil. Add 1 pound of your chosen pasta, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Cook it according to the package directions until it is perfectly al dente, meaning firm to the bite. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1 cup of that starchy pasta water. It is a secret ingredient. Finally, let's bring it all together. Add the freshly cooked pasta directly into your warm red sauce. Toss everything gently to ensure every strand is coated beautifully. If the sauce seems a little thick, add a 1/4 cup, or more, of the reserved pasta water, stirring until you reach your desired consistency. Serve immediately, garnished with fresh basil leaves and a generous sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese for an irresistible finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.